homemade soft chapatis. Learn how to make chapatis at home, soft and yummy, with Chef Josh from CCC. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Remember, we are doing soft chapati like you are seeing them. So we are going to need wheat flour. We are going to need grated carrots. We are going to need grated ginger. We are going to need grated onions. We are going to need cooking oil, Prestige margarine, salt, and egg. You can use Prestige or Cowboy. So you're going to need warm water. So apply your warm water in your bowl. Then after, apply enough salt. After, apply enough salt. So divide your water into two. Then the remaining water in the bowl, apply three tablespoons of oil, but apply enough oil because it is going to help you to make the chapati soft. Then apply an egg. Apply an egg as you are mixing. Apply grated and minced ginger. Then apply grated and minced carrot. Then apply grated onions. Apply grated onions as you are mixing. We are doing chapatis, homemade chapatis. Then after, you're going to apply your wheat flour. After you're going to apply your wheat flour, then you start mixing. We are doing homemade soft chapati with Chef Josh or CCC, with Chef Josh or CCC from Kampala, Uganda. So you're going to start mixing. You add in little flour, little by little flour, little wheat flour, little by little. So at this point, we are going to give it CCC twist. You are going to apply Prestige margarine, 2 tablespoons. If you don't have Prestige, you can use Cowboy. So after, you're going to need again, it is going to become more soft. Then you're going to add in some little more flour. So you have to knead until you see the dough is not sticking into your hands. You are going to knead until you see the dough is not sticking into your hands, like you see mine. It is no longer sticking into my hands. Then you're going to finish off with oil. Then after this point, you're going to leave it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes because we need it soft. After those minutes, we are going to mold into even balls. Remember, if you need a good chapati, make sure that you knead it well. Before you put oil, make sure that it's not sticking into your hands. Then make sure that you use a hot pan. So after making it to even balls, we are going to light our sigili, our gas, our charcoal stove, anything of your choice. So you're going to put your flat pan, or you can use a saucepan. So make sure that the pan is hot. Make sure that the saucepan is hot. So you're going to put oil on your chapati. Don't put wheat flour. Then you start rolling. After rolling, so on the pan you're going to apply some little oil. Then apply your chapati. Start making into shapes. Then after burning one side, you turn the other side. Then after, you're going to turn back the first side. You're going to turn back, yes, like that. Then apply 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then you start cooking until golden brown. Remember, if you need to do a good chapati, soft and sweet, you need to cook your chapati on high heat, and you need to use enough oil. And you need, because if you leave it to cook on low heat, it will become hard. So you're going to roll again. Then after rolling, you're going to make into even shapes, or into good shapes, a round shape like you see I'm doing. Then after, you are going to burn another chapati, because I want to show you 2 versions of making this good chapati. So someone may ask me, how much water can we use? Make sure that you put much water, you apply salt, then divide that water. When you see that the flour is still demanding water, apply water. The salted water we separated. When you see that it is demanding wheat flour, then apply the wheat flour. This is Chef Joshua CCC. We have been kusika, or we have been frying chapatis, homemade chapatis. You have been fighting to make soft chapatis. So I think you are sorted. Try my recipe. You're not going to regret. So make sure that you apply oil on on one side, and make sure that you cook your chapati on high heat. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. See you.